Let's continue with lesson number 7, circles. Previous video you have learned radius, chord and diameter. So today you are going to learn drawing a circle. We use a compass to draw a circle. A compass has two arms. This is the one arm. It has a metal point. See, this is a metal point. And the other arm which has a place to fix the pencil. A pencil of suitable length is fixed to draw the circle. Fix the pencil into the compass. Keep compass on the floor or on your writing pad. Align the metal tip of the compass with the pencil point. See, like this. Now take a distance into a compass. Place a metal tip on the starting line of the scale and take a pencil point on 3. See, the metal point on the starting line or keep on the 0 and the pencil point is on 3. It means your distance is 3 centimeter. Now take any point on the sheet. Here I have taken one point. Place a metal tip on it like this and turn a pencil around it. So here give name to point A. Draw the line. Give name to this point B. So students, this AB is your radius. Now measure it. It is 3 centimeter. So you have taken the distance in the compass is 3 centimeter. So distance is the radius of the circle. So write seg AB is 3 centimeter. So students, let's take one more example. Draw a circle with radius 4.5 centimeter. Now step 1. Take a ruler. With the compass, take a distance of 4.5 centimeter. See, this is a distance. In compass is 4.5 centimeter. Now take a point on the sheet. Place a metal tip on the point and turn a pencil around it. Now this is your circle. And this is your radius 4.5 centimeter. M is the center of the circle. N is the other point on the circle. So radius MN is 4.5 centimeter. So write below the circle seg MN is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Now let's start relationship between radius and diameter. This is a circle It has center, radius and diameter. Now we are going to see the questions regarding it. The first question is, which are the radii in the circle? See students, OA and OB. There are two radii in the circle. There are two radii in the circle, seg OA and seg OB. See the second question. How many radii make up one diameter AB? See, AB is the diameter. So you have seen OA and OB, there are two radii. So two radii make up one diameter. Question number 3. If the length of one radius is 3 cm, what is the length of the diameter? You have seen two radii make up one diameter. So, if the length of one radius is 3 cm, the diameter will be 2 times of its radius. So, diameter of circle is equal to radius multiplied by 2. So, the radius is 3 cm multiplied by 2. So, the diameter is 6 cm. So, what you have learned from these questions? The diameter of a circle is twice the length of its radius. So, here is a circle which has diameter AB and diameter CD. If another diameter CD is shown on the same circle, will its length be the same as that of AB? Yes, the length of AB is equal to length of CD. So, what you have learned? All the diameters of a circle are of the same length. Now, it's your activity time. Test 1. Measure the diameters and radii of the circles given below with a ruler and verify the relationship between their lengths. Diagram 1. Radius 1 centimeter. I have shown you students how to measure the radius. So, by using ruler, you find out the second circle and third circle radius as well as diameter and write the answers in the box. Now it's time to write your homework. Solve problem set 28 in your classwork notebook. Myself Dipti Pathak. I am signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.